as you can see, the sun is shining just too bright, so I just can't take this beautiful sunglass off. And so now you have to get used to this face. And it reminds me of news events in the world and macroeconomic news in the markets. And you should know that news events are actually your friend. They are not your enemy. And I see so many traders are just focusing on avoiding news events. And in my opinion, if you see that it will be raining, it is not a way to live to just stay at home all the time because it is raining. Just get an umbrella or be a wild man and just go out in the rain and dance. Why not? And it is just important to see what actually matters. And when you are coding an EA or you are working on a strategy, please don't just run away when there's a news event. Calculate news in your EA so the EA can take advantage of it, and so you can take advantage of news. How good is that? So I hope this video was useful for you. If you have questions about this topic, because it's just a short video, I know, but the sun is shining too bright, I can't bear it. So if you have more questions about it, let me know in the comments and I will make a detailed video about it. Ciao.